In 1887, people thought electricity was the work of the devil. In July of that year, Professor James Blythe of Glasgow, Scotland, embarked on a journey to bring light into the darkness by building the first wind turbine used to produce electricity. However, the community was less than impressed at his offer to share his discovery, as they refused to embrace the future that was being generously offered to them. Just like Professor Blythe, you can prove people wrong. At CFI, we tackled flawed turbine systems head-on by starting from scratch. Beginning with partnerships from almost every turbine manufacturer in the USA to design, build, and test our ATOS pitch controls, we aim to outlast the competition without breaking the bank. We upgraded the frequently failing parts by replacing the OEM pumps with durable Kawasaki pumps, which we keep in stock at all times to ensure immediate availability. Then we added some new Bluetooth technology, because we're sure that's what the professor would have done. Our job isn't to sell you parts, but to tackle the challenges that others won't, while embodying the spirit of innovation and disruption. We know it's not an easy task at hand, but by embracing the legacy of the Scottish professor, you can do this. You can push the boundaries and reach the achievements that make people say, wow. CFI, for those who don't back down.